Hello, guys. Welcome again to the World of Life. Today, we are going to talk about the heart as an organ that transmits or pump blood around the body. Okay, it is actually located at the left part of the thoracic vertebra. Okay, so the heart is actually protected by the sternum and the rib cage. The heart muscles is actually called the cardiac muscles. It beats 24/7 without stopping, charged with the responsibility of pumping blood around the body. The average human heart pumps blood 72 times in a minute, okay, without stopping. Because if the heart stop pumping blood, our organ will start malfunctioning immediately, okay, because of it will lose its immediate food and oxygen, which will be very complicated issue. So the heart is actually surrounded by a tissue or a band of tissue we call the pericardium that envelop it and protect it as it beats. It will not actually injure itself along the rib cage. Also, the pericardium has a fluid that helps to lubricate his body to avoid the heart injuring itself due to friction. We call it the pericardial fluid. Okay, so the heart have four chambers, which is the left auricle and the right auricle, the left ventricle and the right ventricle, and it is actually divided into two equal parts by a wall we call the matrix. Okay, so the heart has different valves that protect it from um, that protect blood from flowing backwards. Okay, so let us actually go move further how the heart actually function. The heart function by pumping blood around the body, like I said. It performs two types of circulation, which is the pulmonary circulation and the systemic circulation, and also it will does another circulation we called the coronary circulation. The coronary circulation is actually the movement of blood around the muscles of the heart to supply the heart with its essential nutrients and oxygen as well, because the heart muscles is actually living tissues. Okay, so it also has its own circulation as well. The blood, which is the oxygenated blood, actually enters into the heart from the right part of the heart. Okay, which will have the left right auricle and also right ventricle. Okay, so where we have the inferior vena cave and the superior vena cave is actually where the oxygenated blood enters the heart. After it enters the heart, it will now empty itself into the uh, right ventricle. After the heart contracts and relax, it will now pump the blood through the matrix and allowing the blood to escape through um, the pulmonary artery. Okay, so the pulmonary vein will now pump the blood to the lungs for oxygenation. After it pumps the blood for oxygenation, it will now flow through the pulmonary artery to the right atricle. Okay, so when it flows through the left atricle, it will now enter into the left ventricle and follow through the aorta into the other parts of the body. That is actually how the heart functions. Okay, so if you actually have a question to this, I would like to see it in the comment section. Okay, so that's because your question will actually help me to develop my video more. And also, if you're not following me, please do try to follow this page and share it with your friends as well. Okay, so see you in the next video.